My name is Honorable Rojan Kododang. I am the President of Pan-African Parliament. Pan-African Parliament is one of organs of AU. It's the legislative body. So we think that we are trying to do, to oversize, to make visibility Pan-African Parliament. So in my statement, I try to call the whole continent to know that they have this kind of institution here. Everybody, some African know only European Parliament. Nobody knows something about Pan-African Parliament. So is a call. We try to make a call. So Africa must know that they have Pan-African Parliament. Changing the member. Every time we change, so you have to get one, you have to put stability in the institution. If it is not, they cannot bring input in our work. If it is every session we have a new member, it will be very difficult for us. So we need stability in the institution. We need them to give us to work, and so we can move forward. It's not me. It's our partner who think that Africa did not make a lot of effort according to democracy. It's a very bad situation because we think that in Africa we have maybe 50% of country who try to do good, who try to make alternatives. So, but there are some who bring a lot of problems. After the election, there are always conflict. So I think our partner think that we are not make progress in terms of democracy. The first thing is that you need to make law. You need to make common law for the whole continent. So if you have a common law, we can develop our free movement citizen and free movement trade. So we can push out the employment. And also we need to be free. And our country need to be industrialized. And this last case, we need energy in Africa.
Okay. So lastly, before you go, what would be your message to Africans watching now?
I call Africa to support Pan-African Parliament. It's the parliament from Africa. It's the parliament from the people of Africa. And I think at the end you will say, one Africa, one voice. This is my last message. Every Africa must know that Africa have its own parliament. And the parliament is sit in Johannesburg, Midrand in Johannesburg, the headquarters. But especially, we come here to attend this session. So I think it's very important to move to the headquarters and trying to go country by country so we can make visibility. If you are always in the same place, I don't think we can get a lot of visibility. What is the sense of our meeting here? We need visibility, and then we come here to make visibility. I thank you very much.